Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Just Git Tech. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use your tablet to play music with your speaker, any type of speaker. So things here you need is this. You need first your tablet like this. This is an Acer tab. You need like example like this, and then another thing is this. You need a connector. Look at it. It's like this. Let me zoom it. You will need it for you to use it. And the last thing is this. You also need a speaker. It depends on your choice. Right now I'm using this type of speaker. The name of it is Lenryu. There are Hawaii. There are many types of products. Toshiba and many more speakers. So this small speaker, look at it, has this port. It also has this USB port. So what we do is this. I have to on my tablet. So on it, I've shown. So after I finish loading, I'll show you how you're going to use it to play music. So you open it. So my tablet is already open right now. What do I do next? I take this connector. This is a connector. You buy it in you buy it in any shop in your area, like in Amazon, ShopRite. Depends on your country. You can even order it or Jumia. So all you will do is plug in the connector here to the USB port here first. Good, it has entered. What's the next step? The next step is this: the speaker. You have to set it. Then take the USB port first, insert it into the connector. It has inserted. Not yet, it will not start to play music. Another thing is that you take this mouthpiece port, then slot it here. Here, let me zoom it. So good, the thing has already slotted. So let's go to music. Go to music. To music, you click it. So you listen. So guys, what do you see? The music has already started to play in this speaker. So I then raise the volume. So guys, you see, I urge you guys to give a like to this video, subscribe and share to your friends. I love it if you subscribe to motivate me to do more videos. So thank you. Ask you can even leave your question at the description stated below. So guys, see you next time.